anything different? Is there any difference between good morning and happy morning? Any difference? Yeah, in management parlance, there is a saying, either carrot and stick or award people, appreciate people and all that. Students who interact with me, at the end of the program, they can get one of these awards. How many students here will be aiming for these awards? Now, I have only two. Yeah? 2,36,000 employees are there in Accenture. And all of you will not get there. Only these two who get these awards will get there. Right? How many of you will be aiming for these awards? All of you? Now let us see. Let us see. Now, to get these awards, what is that most important thing you have to do for the next 1 hour? Interact. Yeah, I can interact. Oh my darling, I love you. Oh my darling, you can interact like that. Is that interaction? Respond. Is that interaction? No, it's not interaction. Can you be focused for the next 1 hour? Yeah? For that to happen, parapsychology says, no human being on planet Earth can concentrate sitting in one place for more than 45 minutes to 1 hour. You're already sitting for the past 1 hour, right? Can we all stand up for a minute? Can we all stand up for a minute? Right? Can you all stand up for a minute? Right? On your toes. Can you do like this? On your toes. Do like this. On your toes. Do like this. On your... Ma'am? Yeah. On your... Do like this. Right? Now, take your hands above. Bring it to half. Bend to your right. To your right. Right? To your left. Right? Center. Bend forward. Now, when you come back, wow! Make a noise. Sit down. Right? A bit refreshed now. Yeah? A bit refreshed now. Yeah. Should I call you as ladies and gentlemen? Or males and females? Or students? Or friends? Friends? All my boyfriends, please stand up. All my boyfriends, please stand up. Now, out of these boyfriends, can I have about 8 of you on the stage? Can I have about 8 of you on the stage? Quick, the first 8. The first 8. The first 8. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's all. Yeah, come on. Right? Come on. On the stage. Now, sit down. Can I have my girlfriends, please? About 8 of you on the stage. Can I have about 8 of you on the stage? Can I have about 8 of you on the stage? All those sitting at the last, can you come forward? Can you come forward? Because you want to know why I'm asking you to come forward? If you sit at the back, in life, you will always be following somebody. You cannot become leaders, right? If you sit at the back, you will be following somebody. You cannot become leaders. Come forward. Now, I just want you to observe these two batches of boys and girls or my friends on the stage. Just concentrate. Just observe them. Be focused on them. Just listen to the instructions which I am going to give them. Can you form a circle, my dear boys? Can you form a circle? Yeah, you can go and sit. You can go and sit. Right? You can go and sit. Ma'am, you go and sit with her. Otherwise, you know what. Yeah. Can I have another girlfriend of mine on the stage? Yeah, very good. Yeah, hold your hands. Hold your hands. Hold your hands. Listen to the instruction. This is your position number 1. Leave your hands. Right about turn. Piche mode. Piche mode. Hello. Outside, outside. Hold your hands. Hold your hands. This is your position number 2. This is your how many of you are thoda English mein, uncomfortable? No problem. Because English is not our mother tongue. I can talk 6 languages. Right? You're understanding? This is your position number 2. Right? Leave your hand. Piche mode. Hold your hand. Right? Now, the project for you is, I'll give you 1 minute time. You can discuss among yourself for about 30 seconds. The next 30 seconds, you have to implement that decision. Let me see your out-of-the-box creativity and all that. You're all MBAs, isn't it? I just want to see that. Now, listen to the project. Listen to the project. Same thing will come to you, right? Generally, what I do is, I give ladies the first chance. Now, Pratibha Patil is not there. Right? Now, Pranab Mukherjee is there. That's why, the sides tilted. Listen to me. From position number 1, you have to go to position number 2 without leaving your hands, without cutting the chain. The time given to you is 1 minute. Discuss for 30 minutes, plan and implement the plan. Your 1 minute time starts now. Fifteen seconds over. Thirty seconds over. 45 seconds over. Now you are all observing, isn't it, spectators? Are they in position number 1 or position number 2? Have they done as per the instruction? Not yet. We'll give them another 30 seconds time. Now, that's not position number 1. Position number 1 is very simple. Right. Last 10 seconds. Five. Thank you, gentlemen. Please go and occupy your seats. Most of them decided in their mind, it's impossible. Right? It's impossible. Right? Now you will see the ladies doing it. Yeah. Ladies onto the stage, please. Make a round. Now you know the instruction, isn't it? Yeah? Make a chain, make a round. Hold your hands. This is your position number 1. You can remove your handkerchief, otherwise you will say that's the reason, it slipped. Yeah. Position number 1, I'll give you 1 minute time. Think, plan, implement your plan. Your 1 minute time starts now. Who said in India there is gender bias? No. It's we who say that, and we don't implement things. And if they do it, we say, no, 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 you are giving preference. Did I have any secret talks with you? No. The same instruction, the same project for them, the same project for you, right? Now we'll just test them somebody is suffering, let them suffer more, right? Can you go back to your position number 1 without leaving your hands? Do it again, you'll get it. Now the process was okay. Right. Do it all from the beginning, Leave your hands, hold your hands. 1 to 2, 2 to 1. The process was right. The result did not happen, right? Do again. 1 to 2, 2 to 1. Come forward, show the audience that you have done. Now, from 2 back to 1. Slowly. The process is right. Big round of applause. Now, any one message that as an MBA student, what is that one message you got from this group dynamics? What's the message you got? Planning, implementing, thinking beyond the box, motivation, teamwork, thinking out of the box. We have about 100 messages, right? At the end of the session, I'll give you my email ID. Send me your messages. I would like to receive at least 10 management lessons which you got from this group dynamics, right? Now, we always have an excuse. The moment we tell something as elders to you as students, and to, what we tell our elders, no, this is not practicable. All good in theory, but this is not practicable. Yes or no? This is not practicable. The manager calls the representative, the sales manager calls the representative, says, last year you did 2,500, this year can you do at least 4,000? No, it's not possible. Recession, internationally, oh my God, rupee being devalued against the dollar. No, it's not possible. You close the market inside before the market closes outside. The moment I told the students here, they thought, no, it's not impossible. What happened was, they didn't tell it outside, they told inside. What happened was, they couldn't do it. The moment they found that somebody failed, the ladies took it up as a challenge. When you become successful, you don't learn any lessons from that. But the moment you fail, somebody who fails learns a lesson, and somebody who observes also learns a lesson. At the end of 1 hour, what is that you are aiming for? Awards, medal, awards. For that, 100% focus, and for that, 100% interaction. Let us not have any traffic jam here. Let the traffic jam be on the roads. Something is possible. No, sir, it's not practicable. I was talking to somebody who was making a budget for Tamil Nadu. I was talking to somebody who was making a budget. Every annual budget you have, state-wise budget. central budget, somebody making a budget for the state of Kerala, somebody making a budget for the state of Karnataka, somebody making a budget for the state of Punjab, Haryana, so on and so forth. I just asked them a simple question. Sir, the income which you get from hot drinks, alcohol, can you do without that income, sir? Can you form a budget? Can you present a budget to the state without that income? Oh my God, it's not practical. The states which told me are Punjab, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka. They said, no, it's not possible. Is there any state in India which presents a budget year after year without taking into account the income from alcohol? Gujarat? Very good. Is it practicable or not? The only thing is, here if you have traffic jam, you will also have traffic jam in the outside world. Here if you have clarity, you will see things very clearly and it's easy for you to get the result of your choice. Can I take you as an example? Unless everybody says yes, I will not proceed. Can I take MBA students as example? Yes, what does MBA stands for? Can we be a bit different? What does MBA stands for? Suppose I say members with best attitudes, will you agree or not? You don't want to think like that. Nobody is telling that we are students with best attitude, isn't it? Right? Very good. Now, I got your permission, I'm taking you as example. An MBA let us take, in the initial stages, the student completes his engineering degree, waits for some time, does not get a job of his choice. Somebody said, do MBA, do MBA, do MBA. Everybody started telling, do MBA, you will get. I have got an engineering degree. You want me to do an MBA also? Again 2 years? Just do an MBA, do an MBA. So he also did an MBA. Students sitting here, 2 categories. You have come here or chosen MBA either by choice or by, did I say that? I didn't say that. You have come here, you have chosen MBA either by choice or by chance. Now, choice and chance. You have finished choosing MBA. Now, the next step is to see that you get the best out of it. Our engineering graduate took an MBA and went in search of job. 1, 2, 3. Job was offered. He said, I don't like it. I didn't like it. The company is not good. The salary is not okay. The working atmosphere is not okay. No. This company has no future. No, the products are not selling it. Every day he comes back home and tells his parents, they told me to join, but I didn't like the job. One fine morning he got a call and there was a letter from a company which said, please come to our premises at 10 a.m. this morning for a personal interview. Oh, you know what we do in India? What do we do in India? You go to the puja room, right? You go to the puja room. Oh God, today I'm going. I hope at least this, right? Imagine, pretend, think. The God of your choice. Yes, my son, what can I do for you? Hey, you know, prasanna ho gaye. The God has come. Now you can ask. Now he has doubt whether to ask or not. God said, you ask. You ask. Any question. But I want to know, why did you reject so many jobs? He said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 excuses. God said, what kind of job you want? Sure? Yes. I'll get it? Yes. The moment I disappear from here, you will get a job of your choice. First condition, our student, he said, who has completed his engineering, Who has completed his MBA. God, I want a job where I can get bag full of money. God said, okay, it shall be done. Second, Lord said, nobody inside puja room. Hum dono sirf, right? Only we two are there. Lord, the first condition, bag full of money. Second condition, I want ladies around me. God said, very easy. The moment I disappear, you will get a job of your choice. God disappeared. He landed as a bus conductor, BMTC, ladies special. Can I have these lights thoda dim for a minute, please? Thoda little dim, so that we can see these little dim, these photographs. Bit more dim. Now, I will give you a minute or two. I will give you a minute or two. What are the similarities and what is the difference? You can tell 101 similarities and I want you to say one or two differences. I'll give you a minute time. The similarities are, both are human beings, agreed? Both are two-wheelers, agreed? What do you mean by two-wheeler? Kinetic Honda? Bajaj? No. Both are having two legs, right? No difference between, because he is also a male. He is also a male, educated, uneducated, right? Most important, he also has a software and a hardware. He also has a software and a hardware. Now, you ask people, what is the secret of your success? Hard work, sir. Hard work, sir. Next time you use that word, who are you? Next time you use that word, hard work, sir. Who are you? Nay, a coolie or a porter in a railway station. What is that phrase you have to use in management term? Smart work. The second difference, hard work, limited income. Are how much boj uta sakte hain, right? Per day 100 rupees, 200 rupees. Now, does he carry any load? He says, per hour, what will you give me? He is visiting faculty in so many universities throughout the world. Per hour, how many of you know Dr. Kalam charges per hour? Right? You say, one day what's your fees? He will immediately say, one day, day means from 8 o'clock in the morning till 8 o'clock in the night. That's hard work. Kalam says, how many hours you want me? People ask me, can you do a program for us for a day? I say, no, not day, per hour. People who work hard, they work throughout the day. People who work smart, work on hourly basis. Most important. Now you can have the lights, please. Now, you can keep, you know why this photograph, you know why the slides are kept like this? Because it has to go into your head. Hard work pays, but not enough for us. You could have stopped with a 10th standard. You could have been a graduate. You need not have gone to a school for hard work, smart work. Your parents, they have a lot of dreams. That's why they have sent you for higher studies. Smart work, right? Can I go ahead? Now, for the past 10-15 minutes, this was my introduction. Now, we will go into what is called as, what difference is there between these two, Dr. Kalam and the porter in a railway station. From here, you have to focus. Up to now, everything is over. I have set a platform for you to focus. The foundation is strong now. Because whenever you think of Dr. Kalam, you cannot sleep peacefully. You know what does he say? Many programs, I had the good fortune of sitting side by side to Dr. Kalam, and he tells the students, by 2020, I am going to the moon. How many of you students are there with me on the same voyage to the moon? You know, that is the power of Dr. Kalam. You should have his photograph in your mind. Unless we compare the photograph like this, Dr. Kalam's photograph will not be powerful. He uses his hardware to a certain limit. He uses his software limitless. The porter uses his hardware maximum, software zero. Foundation. December, most of the places in the whole world, it's winter, yes or no? A court case against a prisoner, the judge said, you are condemned to death in Russia, Moscow. The judge asked the prisoner, your two last wishes. The prisoner said, sir, I want a bottle of vodka. The judge said, vodka is the Pepsi Cola. What's that vodka? A special drink. Like Coca-Cola? Yeah, special drink. Now, what is your second wish? The prisoner said, the second wish was, our national hero Lenin? Yes. He is buried? Yes. Somewhere there, can I also get a place, sir? The judge said, yes. The same time, Washington. The judge asked the American prisoner. He said, I want cherry fruit, sir. And after you hang me, can I have a place in between Abraham Lincoln and George Washington? The judge said, so be it. New Delhi, the judge asked the prisoner, what are your last two wishes? The prisoner said, sir, I want mango. The judge said, December. You will not get mango. You have to wait for 6 months at least. The prisoner said, I have no problem, sir. I will wait. Focus, right? The second question was a bit tricky. Now, the blood pressure of the judge. Oh my God, what should I ask him? But I have to ask him. If I don't ask him, I've already told him 2 wishes. Son, what's your second wish? Sir, that's very simple. After you die, next to you, can I have my grave? Now, my dear students, don't shout together, just raise your hand. What message you got from this anecdote? Just raise your hands. Yes, my dear. To escape from the punishment, very good. Uske baad, aur kuch? Anybody? What message did you get? Yes, my dear. He wants to live longer. Very good. Uske baad, aur? Yes, please. Fight until the last breath. Can we give her a big round of applause? There is a beautiful talk by Sir Winston Churchill to the students of Oxford University about 50 years back. He has said, never give up. Never give up. Never ever give up in your life. This is the message which I want to drive home with this anecdote. Computer software, hardware, automatic, right? Everybody has automatic. You buy a laptop, you buy a desktop. You have it for about 2-3 years. Can you work in the same laptop, desktop? what is that you have to update? The software. This is the hardware. All this belongs to the hardware. Andar jo kidney hai na, what is it you have inside? Brain, sorry. I'm not a medical student, right? Inside brain, if you don't update yourself, what will happen? Now imagine pretending, 67, 68. I got my management degree from Libas, Loyola College, Chennai. 67, 68. Now I come here, I talk to you. What will you tell me? Are buddha mil gaya, right? You will say, this old fellow, he doesn't know how to interact with us. He may be MBA, Libas, Loyola, Chennai, one of the best in India, right? He may be like that. But if I don't update myself, what happens to me? What happens to me? Obsolete. Outdated is a simple word. Obsolete. Even my wife will not give me a cup of coffee at 6 o'clock in the morning. Sure? If you don't update yourself, your parents will not send you pocket money. Very important. If you don't update yourself, my wife will not get. I can live without coffee. Not without wife. Not without wife. Beautiful. No, because we can't stop experience speaking. Right? What is the first? The first concept which we discussed was from that prisoner judge is called as the state of mind. What is that? Altogether. What is the first concept we discussed? State of mind. The message which we got was never ever give up in life. State of mind. The prisoner, though he was about to be hanged, never ever give up. That's called as the state of mind, which will not come from the hardware, only if you update your software. The second concept is called as updation. What is the second concept called? What is the second concept called? Updation. What's the first concept called? What's the second concept called? For 3-4 years back, there was a film which was first made in the South, then into other languages, including Hindi. Right? How many of you have seen Wanted? Wanted? There is a beautiful sentence in that Wanted. What is that? I want that sentence as it is.
एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता.
Very good. एक बार अगर मैंने कमिट कर दी तो खुद को भी नहीं सुनता. Right? Anybody from Tamil Nadu? Anybody from Tamil Nadu? You are from Tamil Nadu? You can tell the same thing in Tamil, please.
ஒரு தடவை முடிவு பண்ணிட்டா என் பேச்ச நானே கேட்க மாட்டேன்.
See, you are also talking in the mic. I am also talking in the mic.
ஒரு தடவை முடிவு பண்ணிட்டா என் பேச்ச நானே கேட்க மாட்டேன்.
It means if I take a decision, if I commit, I will not listen to myself. Anybody from Andhra Pradesh? You give that mic to Just a minute.
ఒక్కసారి కమిట్ అయితే నా మాట నేనే వినను.
Who tells that, Mahesh Babu? Now, we have seen, anybody can tell it in Kannada? We also got that film in Kannada. Please, in Kannada also, please.
ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನನ್ನ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಿಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತು ನಾನೇ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ.
Very good. Now, all of you see film. All of you see film. I also see film. I see film and match it with my life and what has to be achieved. So the third concept which we are entering is called as committed communication. What is the third concept? Committed communication. Now, what do you mean by committed communication, my dear friend? Okay, you understand Hindi also? What do you understand? Which language? Hindi? English? What do you mean by commit? Can you give me an example of committed communication? Committed communication.
ऑलरेडी कमिटेड
क्या commit किया आपने? Anybody can give me an example of committed communication? एक minute, 1 minute. An example of committed communication.
Now you are doing the same.
Beg your pardon?
Now you are doing committed communication.
I am doing committed communication.
Yes, sir.
Think. You have to give an example for committed communication. Just a minute. Give the mic there. Committed communication. An example I want.
व्हाट आई प्रॉमिस आई डिलीवर
That is, you are only telling, where is JSS auditorium opposite my house? Where is my house? Opposite to JS. No, ऐसा नहीं. Yeah, yes.
सर आई टोल्ड टू बी हियर बाय 9 AM एंड आई वाज हियर बाय 9 AM.
Very good. Committed communication, right? Now, I will give you 2 sentences as committed communication. How many of you will tell it to your parents? See, some people are not raising their hands. I will give you 2 sentences of committed communication. Example sentences. You have to, when you meet your parents, you can say, or email your parents. Right? Raise your hands. Some people, they don't want to commit. See that? Yeah. Put your hands down. You want those 2 sentences? All are not telling. You want those 2 committed communication sentences that you should tell your parents? Mom, Dad, I do not know when you die whether I will cry or not, but as long as you are alive, I will never ever allow you to cry. Can you tell that? How many of you cannot tell that? Even today, I have my mother alive. She says, I am proud of you, my son, because whether she requires or not, 5,000 rupees I give her, personally meeting her in Chennai, month after month. She doesn't require money, but still, I don't know. I have told my father, I have told my mother, when you die, I may or I may not cry. But as long as you're alive, I will never ever allow you to cry. Can you make that committed communication to your parents, my dear students? The second one, you have to make this commitment to your parents and to your faculty members. How many of you are ready for that? You may think attendance, I am not bothered about it. Put your hands down. I am not bothered about attendance, right? The second part of the committed communication is, sir, if your faculty is sir, ma'am, if your faculty is ma'am, come what may, every semester I will show you an improvement of 10% at least. Can somebody stand up and tell that over the mic, please? Mike. See that? See that? Hey, all MBAs, you want job? Hey, committed. You said wanted, vagara vagara. Urdadava pesanyachana. Stand up and tell, please.
Yes.
First, your name.
I am Ravi Kiran.
You are in which semester, sir?
First semester.
First semester. Please.
I am committed for showing at least 10% of improvement in every semester.
In every semester?
Yes.
All the faculty sitting here, please make a note.
Yes. Thank you.
Right? Unless you make commitment in public, you will not fulfill your commitment. Right? What is the first concept we discussed? All together. Second concept? Third concept? Right? Ab aayega macha. Right? Now, you've attended so many meetings, so many conferences, so many training programs in the company, or rather people who have worked out of the company, in your semester, in your previous college, in the present college, you would have, right? I want you to raise your hands and tell what one difference you found with all those seminars and this seminar? One difference. Put your hands up and then I will allow you to talk. What was that one difference you found in this seminar? Yes, my dear. Give me the mic. One difference.
Sir, now we all are in charge.
Charged?
Yes.
अरे हम क्या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है ये क्या 550 वोल्ट्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है क्या हम
No, sir, we got inspired.
You got inspired? Will you send a mail to your parents next time when you meet your parents? Will you tell this sentence?
Yep, sure.
Huh? Will you tell your faculty members at least